Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to cover how to add products using their category to any page we like using Gutenberg. It's fast, easy, and simple, so let's dive right in. One of the awesome things about Gutenberg is you can put blocks on pages or posts. So if you have a post you want to put the products by category on, or a page, doesn't matter. I'm going to put it on a page just for this tutorial, and I already made a page called Products by Category. One of the great things about Gutenberg is that it makes it easy to add it to an existing page or to build a new page. I already have a navigation and a cover block with some text in it, and then I put some text to indicate what kind of category I'm going to use. Alright, so let's add the category block, and we're just going to click into this block. I'm going to add a product by category, search it up. By category, as you see, it's right there, and we're gonna pick phone cases, but you can search whatever category you have right up here or select one from the menu and hit done, and there we have it added. Now how you control this block is just like any other block. Will be over here on your right hand side. You can change what category you want to be shown. You can add categories to it. As you can see, they'll populate as you want. So it doesn't have to just be one category. It could be multiple. I'm just going to get rid of those. And down here, you can control how many columns you want. You can have more columns, less columns. I find 3 to be its sweet spot. You can also have less rows and more rows, depending on how much you have in this. Now we're just going to add back in the phone cases, make it look how it did at the start of the video. Get rid of accessories. Now if you continue on down to where you hit this content section, you can actually remove things you don't like the title or the price, to make it look however you like. It's very just simple and intuitive. Depending on what you want to show, it makes it easier. And now we're moving down on to the order by control. So now you can see it's automatically set to newest, and you hit lowest price to highest price, and highest price first. As you can see, you can choose whatever you want. Now to the second to last control, filter by stock status. Now you can hide it if it's in stock. Don't know why you want to do that, but you can if you want to, or hide it if it's out of stock, or hide it if it's back ordered. Now you can see how this block gives you so much control of showing what you want on whatever page you would like by category. Now the next step really depends on themes and plugins, but if you scroll up to the top, you'll see styles, and this is where a theme or even a plugin can take your store to the next level. As you can see, it will change the style of your block completely. Alright, now let's hit update and let's preview our page. And as you can see, in no time you can add this block and make your store look amazing. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.